guys are going on an adventure.
What are we doing today, Jackson?
We're going on an adventure.
What are we going to do up there?
Go camp.
For a day camp?
Yeah.
We're going to have a fire?
Yeah.
We're going to have lots of fun. Right?
Going on an adventure.
Airplane!
That's in our backyard right now. Yeah. And it's gone.
So yeah, once we're done with the store, we're gonna head up. We're gonna do some foraging for some what's called Western Spring Beauty. It's a tuber. It tastes a lot like potatoes. Doesn't get as big, but it is substantial. And so we'll teach you about that. We're gonna see if we can find some fiddlehead ferns, maybe, and
That would be a mistake.
yeah, it'd be really good with steak. They kind of taste like green beans or asparagus. Our daughter is screaming at us, "Let's go" right now. So I guess we better get this show on the road.
Yeah.
And take you guys along with us.
Let's get out of this coronavirus
Let's do it.
stuff and let's go adventure.
Coronavirus! Yes, it's in our town. People are infected.
Yeah, I guess we could talk about that for a minute. So, we all, of course, know about the coronavirus. And,
Global pandemic.
yes. And, you know, thankfully, we are not
Infected. Yep.
infected.
Although my ear hurts, so I might be.
Oh, my word.
Is that one of the symptoms?
No.
I think it is. I should probably go get tested.
Oh, my God. What are they going to do? Swab your ear? Anyway,
Spinal tap.
kids are out of school for 6 weeks. Yeah, that's right. 6 weeks.
And they're talking about extending it.
And they're thinking about literally not having them go back to school. So, mama's stir crazy.
So we're gonna get out of the house.
So we're gonna go adventuring, as we told you. We're not gonna sit in the house all day long. We're gonna go be out in nature and get our zen on.
Get our zen on.
Mama needs some calm in her life. Plus the kids can roam and they can get dirty and then just have some fun.
Yeah, good old fashioned dirt fun.
Check out our little town, guys.
This is where we live.
Some of you might know
Look at that.
this place if you're local to our state. Others might not. You might think we live in Germany.
That's not German. That's kind of the point.
Little Bavaria. Das ist gut, ja?
Das ist gut, ja?
Hey, that's in Spanish.
No, that's German. It's Jurlish.
Jurlish. Jurlish.
Ingman. One of these cute little buildings. Oh, so cute. Mind you, none of the places are open to the people because of our governor putting a ban on restaurants.
Ever has free parking.
Yep. It's kind of surreal. It's the weirdest thing. Like, all these spots, you guys, normally all these spots are full, like, and it's the whole street. Like, you can't find parking in this town.
Ever.
Ever.
Even on a weekday.
And
Like,
now,
it's just crazy. And now we have
nobody.
parking. It's kind of nice, actually.
It is nice, but it's also kind of alarming, especially for our town when our town's is surviving off of tourism.
Yeah.
When you have a tourism-based town and people are not coming, it's
And I do IT in the town,
concerning.
so none of the businesses are calling me, and nobody's calling me, and sure, no. I mean,
because nobody's there.
Yeah, thankfully, and my wife works like 5 jobs, so.
Because I'm a baller, shot caller.
All right, we're gonna go forage up some grub right here at this local hometown market.
I think it's closed.
Nope, it's open. There's no way these guys would ever close. There'd have to be a zombie apocalypse for them to close.
Well,
50 inch.
They're 20
We're going
inches.
50 inch. Whoa, serious? What the heck? That's craziness. You should probably stop me filming.
Yeah.
I got you on film, baby.
Yeah. I wasn't even going for the spot, but she was trying to jerk it.
Yeah. Jeez.
What a little hooter booter.
Look at the cute little paintings.
Alright guys, we'll catch you on the flip.
So remember I said brown?
Come on, kid.
So, slight problem. Our car just died, literally as we were driving down the road. And now part of our car is hanging out in the road, and we don't know why. Like, we don't know why it just stopped. I mean, it's not terribly hanging out, but I mean, we're not off the road. What's going on, babe?
Battery just, I think it's too much corrosion.
It's pretty corroded.
It was very corroded.
For it to just die like that, like, I mean, what should we do?
Hope to God somebody stops to jump us so we can go switch cars.
Well, that definitely could be the problem. So Derek thinks maybe the alternator's going out. And the only way we would be able to tell is if we tested the battery by having someone stop and jump us. We literally just had a truck drive right past us, like pull into a driveway next to where we pulled off the road, and they didn't even bother to make sure we were okay. Like, I understand life is kind of crazy right now, but I mean, if you see someone pulled off on the side of the road with their hood up in the air, maybe you should check and see if they're okay. Just saying. Especially if you see like a couple or with kids. So, here we are. Our trip is postponed for the moment.
Got her finally. Took a half an hour.
That was a little crazy, huh?
It was corrosion is what it was. The battery is so dang corroded that wasn't making a connection to the post anymore. Once I cleaned all the corrosion off
And got a jump.
we're back running again.
Yeah.
But yeah, the clamp that fits on the post doesn't even fit now. So I'll have to fix that tonight. But that's not going to stop our adventure today.
Nope.
We're going to swap cars. We might not be taking dogs. Sucks for them, but we still got to get out of the house.
Yeah.
This ain't stopping us.
Nope.
Cooks never give up.
Never give up. Whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop.
No, I'm just gonna go this way.
Grab it. Here, hold this for me for a second. Here, hold this.
Careful, slow.
Alright, you guys ready for some fun?
Because I'm going to use it from marshmallows.
What? Triceratops.
What kind of dinos are those?
Has this small neck, and he has a
Long tail.
yeah.
Is he called a long neck?
Yeah. And I kind of, this one is a little What is it called? I got more wood.
Oh my.
Jackson.
Good job, Jackson, my little firewood gatherer.
Yeah.
Good for you. So you want me to just let that roll on the fire then?
No
That one's rolling on the
Got
fire
no
too.
one. Got no one.
Oh yeah. There's the 2 different angles, huh?
Sure. It's always good.
Mom, come here.
Oh, sorry.
Baby, this can go in the fire.
Coming.
Baby, this can go in the fire.
Sure.
Right there.
Oh yeah, a little bit of signs of greenery, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
I love these dinosaurs.
Very cool. Hurrah! You know what these are really good for, Jackson? Show you.
For standing?
Nope. Oh man, this place.
Clean that up. That thing can clean it up.
I like your bushcraft broom.
Yep, gotta clean our space up. So dirty.
Look at her clean. All right, now your turn. Go find get your broom
You try
and
it.
start cleaning it out of there.
Clean up the mess. Yeah, good job. Sweep that.
You did?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
So how am I preparing this for you?
Okay.
I'm gonna need a knife. And how are you doing this with no pan?
So, cut the tops off of those. Give yourself a cavity, and keep the make it so you can still use the cap. There you
Whoa,
go.
look at that.
Got a double header here.
Look at that, Kylie.
All right, and then you're just going to take a little bit of each ingredient and just kind of throw it in there with some steak seasoning.
Including the steak too?
No, this is for veggies.
Okay,
you
so all
just
the
throw
veggies are going in here.
Yeah, and stuff it tight.
I'm eating it.
You're eating that? Some bok choy, some mushies, some kale. I was hoping to throw some spring beauties in there, but
Yeah, well,
I don't think that's going to happen.
Don't always get your way.
Guys, why are you not even... You're putting
Shove it in there
mushrooms
real hard.
in there?
Gotta have some steak seasoning in there. A little bit of kale. Just stuff the sucker. Yeah.
See, it's pretty well stuffed.
Well,
You want more?
well, you can't really probably do that, but all right.
What?
One done. Look at our fire.
Oh, she's taking off. Oh, here's another one.
It's crazy.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to eat 2 of them.
How you doing, bud?
What am I doing?
You're doing fine.
What am I doing? What am I eating?
Packing these full of
What
stuff.
was I eating?
Yeah, eating
Kylie, you gotta
pepper.
move one way or the other. Why don't you come sit over here with Mama?
Wanna sit on this side with me? You're fine.
Oh, good. Well, yeah, that's great dinner.
Just put them on the table.
Here, steak seasoning.
I thought
Food.
I just out there. I was thinking I was going to get those.
Okay, they're all ready.
Look what
They're all ready?
Look
Let's
what
see these
all
suckers.
these toys that I got. Look what all these toys that I got.
Whoa. They're all on an adventure.
Yep.
Yup.
All
I
right.
got
Honey,
robot.
talk
Yes.
about it.
It is a red bell pepper
Unicorn.
stuffed with
Unicorn.
kale,
Unicorn.
bok choy and mushrooms.
Seasoned with.
Seasoned with.
Unicorn. I got unicorn.
The best stuff on
I
earth.
got unicorn.
Montreal
I got
steak.
unicorn.
Nice, unicorn.
I got unicorn. I got unicorn. I got unicorn. I
And
got
a side of unicorn for dessert.
Sounds delicious.
Super easy to just throw together.
A stick for marshmallows. Oh, that's big. Yeah, that's big.
Will that do, Kylie?
There you go. Look at it, Kylie.
Perfect Kylie size. And
Perfect
then
Kylie
after you're
size.
done cooking with it, you can use that as a wand.
I want that one.
Is it gonna be good? Yeah.
Don't get it too close.
Gotta get just right, huh?
No.
Nope, better do it some more.
Look at our little scavenger over there. He's what's
Way over there, you see a little red blob. That's my child. He is scavenging me.
Come on.
This. How you doing, Jackson? Are you finding lots, buddy? I see you. Are you finding lots of moss? Oh, you got kind of a few things in there. Let me see inside your bag. Over here. Let me take a look. Ooh, you're finding all kinds of stuff. Good job. Keep up the good work, bud. I love it up here.
Mom, you want to find mushrooms?
In a minute, buddy. Where do you want
Does Dad actually cut this?
I love you, Jackson.
I was cooking my thing and then I got that.
Yeah.
So, I'll take all over. All over.
All over.
Mushroom. Mushroom. Don't come off this time. Come on, mushroom. Get on here.
Working hard over there, Daddy.
Oh.
Gotta keep her going.
So,
We're gonna get some sticks and poke them.
so we're spearing them.
Yeah, in fact, we could do that now.
Well, let's do it. Yeah, are you having fun?
This
Yeah.
is just so it doesn't fall through the grill. Although I don't think it will.
Gosh, that looks so good.
Huh?
That looks so good. I'm hungry.
Fire roasted steakums. It's gonna be so delicious. Let me see that. Go back on the other side. I think the kids are having fun.
Well, when don't they have fun when we're out like this? go, baby. I can help you.
Let's go. Let's go. No. Fine.
Here, now you can go play with the ice and it won't hurt. Oh yeah, that looks good. Uh-oh. Well, that one's done.
No, it's not.
That one's burning too.
I'm just eating
Is there a new battery for this one?
Yeah, in there. Oh.
Where's the steak?
I'm coming.
Where? Inside?
Wait a minute. Why is this up? Where's that up? Where's the steak up? The chicken. I don't want chicken. I want chicken.
Steak.
I don't like
Steak, guys.
steak. I want steak. I want steak.
Good, because it's going to be delicious.
I don't.
You're going to have some.
I do. Steak is I don't want to. Steak is good.
No.
It's not.
Have a little bit, okay?
Can I have some?
Oh my.
Can I have some?
Yeah. Daddy will cut some of his off.
It's water in there.
Yes, there is water. It's from the vegetables. Wow. That's good. Good and hot.
Guten hot. This is the spot.
Yummy! I drank
Warms the
all the
belly.
water. I drank all the water.
Nice.
This is yummy.
Epic. Yours looks like perfectly rare.
Delicious.
Mine's just a little bit burned.
It's okay.
But I can't eat the
Carefully,
meat.
carefully, dumping all your stuff out.
Got that all figured out, huh? All over your jacket.
But look at that. Once it's starting
Yours is on fire.
go.
Blow it. There, it's good.
Oh yeah, Daddy. I got this marshmallow. Oh no. A marshmallow. That is yummy.
Look at that tasty goodness.
Okay.
Here, wait. Well?
Is it delicious?
All right, Mama.
Why does Mommy get two?
Tell the fans at home how the gluten tastes.
Gluttony.
Gluteny. Delicious
It's
though.
gluttony.
I'm about ready to wrap her up.
Yeah. There's just something about a s'more when you're out camping.
All right, did you have fun?
It was great.
I'm tired. I'm full. Sun's going behind the hill.
It's getting cold.
It's getting colder.
My knees are cold.
Knees weak, arms heavy. Mom's spaghetti.
I don't think so.
Oh.
Nothing like that.
Okay, well, we enjoyed the steak. We hope you enjoyed the time that we had together. We'll do it again soon.
We'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll just do this every day for the next 6 weeks until the kids go back to school.
Yeah. There we
We
go.
seem to get along when we are out of the house.
Yeah. So.
Whoa. Jackson, come down here, please.
Here, buddy.
Get down here now.
Oh, that was weird.
That was scary. I honest to God was like, shit, we don't
I
have a
was
gun.
like-
Like, that's all we have.
I'm about to stab somebody. I don't know.
I was stabbed that cold car.
You would not have. Your daddy would have taken care of it, but you need to stay by us when stuff like that happens.
All right. We're going to call that a day.
Yeah.
Because
Well,
we go on the next
Thanks for
one.
coming to our adventure today. It's started out kind of rocky. Ended up much smoother.
Let's do it again.
And then weird.
Next
And then just
one.
weird.
We'll catch you on the
Go
next
to the
video.
next one.
Jackson,
The next one. We'll catch you on the next one.
hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications.
See you later, guys. Honey, it wasn't recording.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Did it say it stopped?
Yep, we have to do it all over again. Would you be happy if I told you that I was lying?